My name's Bill Akins, and I've lived here in this house for about 9 years, and I'm a retired Vietnam veteran. Prior to this job, I think the last time anybody worked on the roof was right after Hurricane Charlie, 15 years ago or something. And starting to have problems, and I knew it was only a matter of time that we're going to have major problems. So I looked around for different companies and got quotes from about 4 different roofing companies, and talking to the people, I just decided to go with Kingdom Roofing. They just seemed like they were the right people at the right time, and they did an incredible job, and they were quick, very professional. Their crew was out here. They didn't make a big mess. They cleaned everything up, and when the building inspector came to inspect it, he was absolutely astonished. He wanted to know who was doing this because he wanted to recommend them. So they did everything right the first time, and there was just absolutely no issues, and the price was right. So, what can I say? Kingdom Roofing really did the job.